Sick! I can't breathe. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning into the vlog. Today should be a really interesting day. My buddy John is pulling up in his Subaru WRX hatchback that's been converted to go off-road. So it's like lifted, has gravel tires and smaller wheels. I think we're gonna go check it out and then go check out some trails. But yeah, stay tuned. Hello. I see it. Nice. Hi John, say hi.
Hi, we're ready for some fun or what?
Yeah. So, can you give us like a brief overview?
Just sell the car.
Just sell the car? Okay, yeah, it's junk already. Have the splitter, the wheels, tires, and the suspension, right?
This is all-season tire. I'm waiting for my all-terrain tires to come in. They're not in yet.
Oh, because of that eBay thing?
Yeah, fuck those guys.
Oh my gosh, there's so much body roll. Oh! What the fuck? We're sliding all over the place. Okay, so the car feels really, it's like really floaty, and it's kind of weird because like you're in like the sedanish interior, but you're so high off the ground, and then when you take a turn, the car just like floats into the corner, but not like you're carrying speed, but more like you're gonna slide out. Oh my gosh, we slid like 3 corners. Dayne's Lexus, I was like lifted. There's 2-way adjustable or 3-way adjustable coilovers. Very nice. The other one's airing down. John's gonna air down. Dude, this thing is kind of scary on the road. Maybe it'll be better off-road. Well, car's overheating, so John's lifting up the hood. Oh, hopefully we don't get stuck here. Is that a rattlesnake? I want to put them somewhere else. Our fans are dead and there's a rattlesnake back there. Sick. Hey. Okay. Yeah, we're good. Nice. Fans are fixed.
Do you want? Yeah, we don't have anything today.
No, sure, just like drifting.
Electrical tape and cut wire. Okay, the car's fixed. It was just a loose wire, so we cut 2 wires and then taped them back together. Not the best fix, but at least the fans work now.
I think when I jump the splitter, pull the wire out.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So maybe we should do a splitter delete.
Maybe we should jump harder.
Or jump harder. Yeah. Dude, jumping in a car feels so like not normal. Like, it just doesn't feel right. Maybe take it. What is that noise?
The splitter rubbing.
Oh god.
That's so cool.
Dude, did you do some gardening?
Just snow plowing a little bit.
I think John's goal is to be able to like rally drift the car around corners. Oh, we're taking, I guess we're going, but we're kind of taking it easy now because like this car just preheated. But yeah, let's go. Cool, it's so nice up here, check it out. It's pretty fun. Yeah, you can see the top of the mountains up there. So much fun. I can see why people like off-roading now. It's so much fun. And you don't have to worry about cops. You don't have to worry about anything like that. You just have to worry about breaking down. Yeah. So I'm riding with Dayne now in the Lexus. What is this? A Lexus?
GX 470.
GX 470 V. All I know it's a V8. So
it's basically like a fancy 4Runner.
A fancy 4Runner. There we go. I mean, it's definitely really comfortable in here. All this leather and stuff. Oh my god! Okay, so right off the bat, he can go a lot faster than John's Subaru. It's a lot smoother. And Jesus Christ! Alright, cool. How does Yuki deal with this?
She just lays down and accepts her fate.
She's just used to it.
She doesn't like it, but she knows she has no choice.
Hi Yuki, are you doing okay? Can you slide this car? Or
so it's full-time four-wheel drive, so you can't really slide it. But I have a rear locker, which turns into like a welded diff basically. So I can turn that on to help give me more oversteer.
Oh, that's cool. So you could just activate that remotely?
Yeah, there's a switch right here.
Oh, cool.
It's on like a relay system.
So those coilovers you installed, are they worth it?
Yeah, definitely.
Way worth it?
Really good. Yeah. They have adjustable compression and adjustable rebound.
Oh.
So I can really fine tune it.
Nice. Oh my gosh. Yeah, these views are crazy though. We're going along the ridgeline, huh?
Yes,
on top.
So
yeah, because I can see it.
It's like a super narrow trail.
View from up here is so nice.
So.
Dude, check this out. There's like a city down there. I'm not sure what city that is, but I don't know if you can see it. I think John's coming. Oh yeah, there he is. You think you can slide this corner or no?
I need to fix my splitter. I'll try it.
Okay, sick. Yes, he's gonna do it.
Look it happen.
Oh! Oh, you hit. Oh! Oh, GG.
I took it off.
Oh, dang, it got pushed back all the way to the wheel.
Take it off.
John, this car has seen better days. Should we just jump on it?
Some flathead and 14s.
Yeah, you've been through it a lot.
I did it like 10 times. Side off.
Alright, problem solved. Nice. Oh my gosh. Get up there.
And then to the door panel.
Oh my god! We almost died. I almost died. What is that? His heat shield?
And at least the bit works.
Oh, it's ripped. Nice. Oh, oh, everyone's moving their cars. John's gonna try to drift this corner, which, if he manages it, it's gonna be super epic. Yeah! That was sick! Got it! That was perfect! Oh my gosh, there's so much dust! Alright, so I'm on the inside clipping point of the turn. Get the low angle shot. Hope I don't die. Hey! I can't breathe. Oh my god. You're kicking up.
I guess we were going too hard, dude. Hard. Ow.
Did you really just make a rock pun? Oh my gosh. Oh. Nice. Dude, off-road cars are so cool. Maybe this is where the fun's at and not, you know, on-road cars. So much more like carefree up here. Man, I haven't been this dirty in a long time.
You're a dirty man, Caleb.
I'm a dirty. Oh, okay. It's fun though. Hey guys, Future Caleb here. Sorry I didn't do like a proper outro, but I'm home now. Took a shower, all cleaned up. My shoes and shirts and all that have sand all over them, but it's okay. I had a lot of fun. Yeah, this was my first time going off-roading, and especially in like a Subaru, like a hatchback, like a road car. It was a lot of fun, especially if you go with a friend like John who just full sends it everywhere and breaks his car. It definitely makes things interesting. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please, you know, consider subscribing. I'm having a lot more videos planned in the future, and we did something crazy, which you guys will probably find out in the next vlog. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.